Facebook. How's everybody doing out there? It's Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors. So we're here, day 3, San Pedro. Okay, just spoke to the homeowner. They saw the look of the raw wood on their floor, and they decided that they wanted to go with the Loba Invisible. So Loba Invisible doesn't give it any like color tint or anything as far as the finish goes. So it just kind of looks like the raw wood. So let me turn this around and kind of take a look at what we got done. So sanded in most parts. Just need to get a vacuum in here and get all this dust and stuff as much as we can. But the Loba Invisible will be making this floor look great, very well protected. So we went with these stairs. Homeowner decided they wanted to go up to this riser. That's other wood flooring, that's manufactured wood. So we're not touching that. That's only a couple of years old. Okay. Got this step here. Excuse the noise. I got my guys doing the risers. Take a look. Go all the way up to here. See these interesting walnut pegs on the floor. So you see all these wood kind of things here. That's a scraper there. So when we get something that we can't reach with our machines, that's typically what we'll do. It looks very good. Gotta get that riser, sand that up, but everything's looking pretty good so far. And we should get one coat of finish down today, and then the other 2 tomorrow. So turn this thing around. All right, so we're looking at about another. We're gonna work here today, do a little bit more sanding, a couple little touch-ups on stairs, the risers, stuff like that. Make sure everything's well sanded, everything's nice and smooth, and then basically lay one coat of finish on before they leave today. And tomorrow we'll come in, we'll buff a little bit, and throw the second and third coat down, and we'll see what it looks like. So everybody have a good day, and we'll see you soon.